Well, this is some wood that I cut up yesterday. There's my old polan. I kind of wish I could have got it on video, but I seem it can't work with just one hand with a saw. But no, this joker was dead, or it was dying, if I'm thinking right. And I'm out here videoing this, and that tree was just in the way. I get mad at this thing, but all in all, it's a decent saw, but I just get mad at it. And I cut these yesterday, but for some reason I was having a retard moment and couldn't find couldn't find my saw. And I looked all the way around right there, checked all around. I guess I just looked past it. Like I said, though, I was probably having a retard moment. My chain was dull when I cut thin because it cut crooked. Because one side's sharper than the other and it'll cut crooked, which is a pain in the buttocks. Did I miss one? Nope, I didn't miss it. Yeah, I missed one. Oh well. Well, there's all that. There's the hay. Helped unload. There's all that. It's the house. We're in the garden now. Well, not the garden no more, but well. Alright. Bye.